Look at this, is all petrified wood. That's millions of years old. Can you believe that? That's millions of years old. Let's go look around. Oh, lots of poison oak here. Lots of poison oak. The pit tree. It's a pine tree. See that tree back there? That's a pine tree.
Yeah.
That's the only one in this forest. All right, come on this way. Some manzanitas, Doug firs, oak. A lot of different kinds of trees around here. Some of these trees in this area are over 3 million years old. Ooh, this is volcano rock we're standing on. Is that cool? What's that say, honey?
Volcano trail.
Volcano trail. All right, let's go check it out. It's a little cold today.
Yeah.
That sign says stay on the trail. Do you know why it says that?
Why?
Because there's poison oak here.
Yep.
Remember yesterday we saw some in the redwoods?
Yep.
Yeah.
It didn't say poison oak.
Yep, that's what the sign said yesterday too. Interesting. Behind the fog today.
Mile is about 5280 feet.
This one's called the Giant. The Queen. Sequoia Langsforth. That's a huge tree. This one's called the Queen. What do you think about that?
I like the queen.
This is a big tree. It's a big sequoia tree. A 2,000-year-old tree when it died. And then it was buried under the volcano almost 3.5 million years ago.
No.
Do you think dinosaurs were around then?
Yeah.
Saber-toothed tigers?
Yeah.
Woolly mammoths?
Yeah.
Whoa. That tree's as hard as a rock, huh?
Don't read it without me.
Okay. The Monarch or Tree Tunnel, 105 feet long, 6 feet in diameter. It's a coastal redwood. You like redwoods, huh, honey?
Yeah, we visited yesterday.
That's right. Look at this big petrified tree.
Well, look at that tree.
Yep, and it went all the way back in there. This tree is called a madrone tree. What do you think? Look at the bark. See how the bark is like a little bit red? Yeah.
I'm climbing the side.
All right. This says, to commemorate the discovery of this petrified forest by Petrified Charlie in the year 1870, the meeting with Robert Louis Stevenson immortalized in the book Silverado Squatters. All those others whose lives were devoted to developing and preserving this forest. Cool. You gotta read that book now, I guess.
What book?
This one, Silverado Squatters. I gotta find that book so I can read it. Look at this steep hill. Beautiful fall colors still. You see any 4-leaf clovers there, or just 3-leaf?
Just 3-leaf.
Just 3-leaf? You gotta keep looking, huh? We gotta keep looking for one. And we will have all the luck. What do you get if you find a 4-leaf clover?
You get to find the rainbow and get to see the gold.
Yeah, that would be awesome, wouldn't it?